This machine is designed for automatic straightening and chipless cutting of copper and aluminum tubes, widely used in HVAC heat exchanger and automotive pipe manufacturing. Equipped with a high-precision feeding and cutting system, it ensures smooth burr-free tube ends, making it ideal for subsequent processes, such as expanding bending and brazing. The chipless cutting technology significantly improves efficiency while reducing material waste and eliminating secondary deburring processes.